Estoy curando.
I knew it! It was gas!
You figured it out!
I knew it! I wrapped it, so I didn't
love this. There's that sticker I put on there so you couldn't open it. Here, look. Bring it up. Upside down.
I wrapped it.
See the sticker?
No.
You gotta ask Daddy to cut it.
There you go, sweetie.
I had to make it read-proof. So we didn't tell you what it was.
Why don't you sit over there facing the camera?
Yep, sit by Reed.
So we're not looking at your back the whole time. Take
How about over there, sweetie? Where the paper is. Sit on the paper. Okay, here we go. This is from Uncle Mark. Pull, open the other side. Here she goes.
A sweater. Sweater.
Maybe more in the sweater.
You need to
Rip it
put it in
open.
the box.
No, but I want to open this first.
Oh, it's beautiful. Is it soft? Stand up and show me. Oh. And what about the, what else? Is there anything else in there?
Oh,
I think there's leggings that goes with it.
Oh, Michaela, that's adorable. Oh, it's so just like that.
Mommy,
And it'll definitely fit you, won't it?
mommy.
That's Nina Baboon. Oh, it's so cute. You love it? Look at the picture, Reed. Wait,
It zips, Reed. It zips. Reed.
it's not a pullover.
It zips.
There's no way you're going to get it over your head unless you unzip it. It's just like the Dingles were wearing.
It didn't have a name on it.
Oh, you better look harder then. What's that over there on your shoulder?
I don't remember it.
Is that your name by any chance? Zip it up.
I'm eating this so I can avoid smiling.
Come closer. Come closer so I can take a picture with your name on it. It fits you perfectly, Reed. Come here, let me fix the collar. Okay. Now give me a real smile. Take just a sec. Give me a real smile. No, give me a smile to send it to your bubble.
The other one. The other one.
A digital camera!
You got your own
Just
now.
like Reed.
Yay! And it's pink! Ooh!
What
Let me
that is?
down! It's
That's from Uncle Mark.
This one's from Mima and Babu. I'm gonna open it next.
You're so
Is
clever.
that what you wanted?
Oh.
It's loud.
That's not necessary.
It's Christmas.
Eh.
Okay, hold on so I can show Uncle Mark.
Oh, my heels hurt. Let's see. Here.
I have one more
Let's
thing
get-
here.
Just like you asked for, remember? It's camouflage.
Mommy, look! Mama, look!
Try it on. I know.
Oh wow.
Look,
Yo, did you know the outside of those are actually leather?
I know. Oh, wait.
Can I open it right now?
Kayla, get a boost.
Oh, wait, these are soft.
Do they fit?
Yes.
You gotta stand up and oh, they're super cute on you.
And they're soft.
I bet it'll be so warm.
No, look. I've gotten lots of boxes today.
Oh, I'm opening this one bag.
I don't have any more presents out there.
I have 13 and I've opened the box. You got that one? They're fuzzy worms.
Oh, how much room is there in the toes?
A lot.
Really?
You wanna do that?
Is that from Grandma and Grandpa?
I don't know.
Did you
Wait,
get
who's
your
that
own
from?
pocket knife?
You. Oh, that's our third present to read.
I want this one. Mommy, were you going to buy me this?
Yay! Yes!
You got the sticks.
You got the sticks. Just
My
what you
turn.
wanted.
Ooh, pretty ribbon.
Careful.
I want to scratch it. This is from Mima, Bubba.
Pixels! I got pixels!
There, bring it in.
Won't that be fun?
I didn't get the big set, I got the tiny set, see?
You don't need the big set.
Just lock the door.
Cool.
Just so happens.
Wow, Michaela, you sure are
You've
getting a
got
lot of things.